Hi, my name is Grace. I'm opening up Shopkins Vending machine and Shopkins basket and Mutant Mania's can. First, I'm gonna open up my Shopkins basket. So I'm gonna open up this and see what I got. This plastic is very hard to open. So I'm gonna get what I was gonna get. This one's hard to open. 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Oh no, it's stuck. Yeah. It has the Shopkins directions, and it has 2 baggies right here. And then I'm gonna whip it. Yeah. Here. My goodness. What do I get? Oh, it's another picture. Because I love this picture. So, this is picture, and I really want to get 2 pictures instead of 1 apple. So it has a hole there. And then I can't believe it, or they can't open this now. There's another jam. Another jam. So it comes with directions. So I'm gonna take it first. Oh no. It's so well tangled. I think I show directions first. Mutant Mania can. It's a 1. So this is the can, and I'm gonna whip here. So try to open this. Let's go. Let's go with this. These are whistlers. You can pick the body offs. And I'm gonna open this anyways. So I'm gonna whip it down. So let's go. It's a bracelet. So it can. And I want to open this and up, down and up. Oh, see, I did it. Everybody. So don't really know who I got. So I'm gonna pop it anyway. Oh wow! Wow! Woo! 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 So I'm gonna, anyways, I'm gonna see what they have. They have directions, so I'm gonna take directions X-ray. X-ray. We are so wound up. I couldn't believe it that it's tangled. So that's tangled. And everybody's tangled with me. So I love these guys, so I love these guys too. So I'm gonna pop the can, and then he can fit inside. Wow. There's nothing there. So here's black one. So here's the robot. Robot dance. There's the robot dance. He comes with the ball. Ah. Oh. Next, the Shopkins Vending machine. So I'm gonna repeat So I wanted this, and Daddy got me this. So I decided to open it too. Down. Yeah. Where they whip it. So I'm gonna repeat yeah. Sorry. We're just opening the vending machine. It's so cute. It's on a lot of pink and it has a green cap. So I'm gonna open here. Wow. So cute. Hi. Hi, you guys. See, that one's stuck. Oh, sorry. Well, so these ones, this one has his mouth, and this one's happy. This is Martilla, and this is white ice cream Joe. You only could put these in here, and then the cap closes them, and then they will be very happy. And then you press one finger, and then you pull this out. More Shopkins inside. Pull this out. Oh. There's some cake stuff there. You could only put more Shopkins inside, so they would be very happy. Happy, 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 happy. Very happy, very happy. Very happy. Happy, happy, 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 happy. So great. You should put all of the Shopkins in here, and then you take this out really nicely. And this is the wet side. You put all your Shopkins in here, and then you pour it inside here. Ooh. No. then I closed them safely in the base. Whoa. I got gutless, a trash can. I got a can, pretzel, jam, white bun and cream, and I got Nutella. And this is Shopkins Vending machine. If you want to watch this video, please subscribe and give a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.